Hello students, we look at one more numerical of designing air conditioning plant for office using psychometric chart itself. Okay, so it is required to design an air conditioning plant for an office room with the following conditions. Outdoor conditions is 14 degrees centigrade dry bulb temperature and 10 degrees centigrade bulb temperature. It is very cold. Required conditions are 20 degrees centigrade dry bulb temperature and 60% relative humidity. Amount of air circulation is 0.3 meter cube per minute per person. Seating capacity of the office is 60 and the required condition is achieved first by heating and then by adiabatic humidification. Determine the following: heating capacity of the coil in kilowatt and the surface temperature required if the bypass factor of coil is 0.4, and second, the capacity of the humidifier. It was asked many times in VTU examinations for 7 to 11 marks. Now let us see. Outdoor condition is 14 degrees centigrade dry bulb temperature and 10 degrees centigrade wet bulb temperature, and required indoor condition is 20 degrees centigrade dry bulb temperature and 60% relative humidity. Now first what we will try to do, we will try to mark these 2 points, outdoor condition as well as indoor condition, on the psychometric chart. So we will come to know many things directly by the chart itself. Okay. Now how we will mark? Again, we'll 14 degrees and 10 degrees and 20 and 60%. Okay. Now see here, 14 degrees dry bulb temperature is this line, the outdoor condition, and indoor wet bulb temperature for that is 10 degrees centigrade. So this is the 10 degrees centigrade. It will cut the saturation line at P. So I will extend this. This is the WBT line, and here the point intersection of point 1. This is the outdoor condition, 14 degrees centigrade dry bulb temperature and 10 degrees centigrade wet bulb temperature. Now second point here they have given the dry bulb temperature is 20 degrees centigrade and relative humidity is 60%. So this entire line, vertical line, is dry bulb temperature of 20 degrees centigrade, and wherever the 60 degree relative humidity line cuts this 20 degrees dry bulb temperature, that is the indoor condition required, 0.2. Okay, now this is 0.1 and this is 0.2. Now you can see from we have to go from 0.1 to 0.2. For that we will do some sensible heating, and then we will do adiabatic humidification. There are two things. One is heating is required because the temperature is more, dry bulb temperature is more. First we have to do heating, and then you have to do humidification because the moisture also, see here the moisture is low, but in the indoor condition we require more moisture, so we will be adding the moisture. Okay. Now actually you can straight away by seeing this you can straight away calculate, find out the values. Here the moisture level is omega 1 is 0.0061, here the omega 2 level is 0.00875, and here the enthalpy is 29.5 kilojoules per kg, here the enthalpy is 42.6 kilojoules per kg. These values you have got, and the third value, specific volume, here the volume is 0.817. Okay, this volume at 0.1. Now you will see bypass factor. Here he has given a factor called bypass factor. Actually, bypass factor is shown here. By during heating, the dry bulb temperature of the air rises and approaches the mean effective surface temperature of the heating coil. The extent to which it approaches is expressed in terms of bypass factor. Okay, the specific humidity remains constant during the, here specific humidity remains constant when you are just doing sensible heating. Hence draw a horizontal line, constant specific humidity from point 1 to intersect the constant enthalpy line extended from 2. From here that constant enthalpy line I will extend. So this will meet at the point M. The extension are shown by this dashed line. These extensions are shown by dashed line, and the point intersection is M. And here I get the dry bulb temperature as 26.6. Okay. Now from psychometric chart you have seen enthalpy at position 1, outdoor condition is 29 kilojoules per kg. Enthalpy at 2, indoor condition is 42.6 kilojoules per kg. Omega 1 is 0.006 and omega 2 is 0.008.